The 1917 Pope Model T Twin with Dick Shappy Classic Cars and Motorcycles. The Pope Twin, produced from 1911 to 1918, was known as the world's fastest production motorcycle at the time and the most sought-after early American motorcycle of its era. It was one of the first American motorcycles to feature an overhead valve configuration in a production model, a feature not repeated until the Crocker Big Twin, almost 2 decades later. The overhead valve V-twin engine offered better performance and efficiency than the popular flathead or side valve engines of the time. The Pope Model T also featured a full suspension system, comprising a leaf spring front fork and a dual plunger rear suspension, which provided a smoother ride than its contemporaries. Other notable features included a mechanical oil pump, a Corbin duplex V-band brake, and a 3-speed transmission in some models. The 1917 and 1918 T models were Pope's best and most powerful, and the last of Pope's overhead valve twins. Pope motorcycles were not produced in the same mass quantities as some other brands, such as Indian or Harley-Davidson, making them relatively rare and desirable among collectors. The Pope Model T was a technologically advanced motorcycle for its time, playing a significant role in the development of motorcycle technology in the 20th century. The 1917 Pope Model T presented here, engine number 17T645, is in its completely unrestored original condition. It sports a 1000cc, 16 to 18 horsepower V-twin overhead valve engine with a split-door model EV carburetor. It features a luggage rack and even has Pope floorboards. You can learn more about this motorcycle and Pope at dsclassics.com.